Well, hello there, everybody. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, KetoBrick.com.
That was delayed. Why was that delayed?
There's like 3 other websites I could say, and I always say Keto Brick, but I'm gonna say Keto Brick again.
All right. So we got a product review video coming at you today. Quite a few different things, actually.
Of different things.
Let's start with this one. We'll go left to right. You want to do this? You want to open it up?
I have an itch on my nose, and I'm going to scratch it. Someone made a comment that I scratched my nose at one point in one of the videos. Made fun of me for it.
Ooh.
I did it.
And so this is something new from Nick with Keto Brownie.
Mm-hmm.
So you've had Keto Brownies probably. This is like a spreadable brownie butter, I guess would be a good. I don't know if he's got an official name for it. What would you describe it as?
Brownie butter. Brownie spread, yeah.
Ingredients: almond butter, cocoa liqueur, coconut oil, cocoa powder, erythritol, sea salt. Contains tree nuts. May contain traces of milk, soy, wheat, and peanuts. Knead, tear, enjoy.
Yum.
The macros are one serving size is 29 grams, and we're looking at 170 calories, 16 grams of fat, 7 grams of total carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram total sugar, 2 grams sugar alcohol, 5 grams protein. Let's give it a shot. And this is not the finalized packaging or anything. I honestly don't even know if he wanted me to do a review video on this because it's, I don't know if he did or not. Hope he did because we're doing it. But this is what it looks like. This, again, not the final packaging.
I'm nervous now that you're doing this.
No, it's just cool.
Yeah, I would definitely smush it around a little bit. That's what it feels like to me. Like, you know, you do with like any nut butter so like it doesn't separate.
Yeah, so give it a good smush.
Are we gonna share one or do you want to do?
I have to share one.
Yeah.
So it has like a, it's like a, I would say it's kind of a thicker consistency.
Like the thick part of a nut butter.
I don't know if that's gonna focus or not, but it looks pretty good. It smells pretty good. Try it.
Oh.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You got lipstick on it now. I like it.
That's good. That's really good.
It is pretty good that you. Yeah, it's got I don't know, it's pretty good.
It is good.
We need to like work on more adjectives to describe
It's good.
these.
So good. It's really good. It's just good.
So good. Yeah, it's good.
I can definitely oh my god. I can definitely taste the almond butter.
Mm-hmm.
I like that a lot, but it's like super chocolatey almond butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that would be super easy to do.
I don't remember what his ingredients were on the brownie itself. I wonder if it's different than this.
I think this is a lot less
carbs?
Ingredients, and it's less carbs. I think it has a lot less fiber too. So, big fan of that.
So we got a bunch of books in.
Yep.
So the Keto Answers book. You want to show them the book? Boom. I had Chris Irvin on the podcast a couple days ago, and this is what his little note says. Hey brother, hope you're doing well. Thanks for checking out the Keto Answers book. I have so much respect for your opinion, so I can't wait to hear what you think. Thank you for all that you do for the keto community. You're making such a big difference in this important movement, Chris. Thank you, Chris.
Awesome.
But yeah, we dove into the book a little bit on the podcast, and I really like the format of it. So basically, I forget how many questions it was, but it was like 200 and something questions, I think, that they've pulled from the keto community, and they've just gone in depth on each of those questions. So it's like a resource book that you could flip to a specific question that you're wanting answered.
It's actually like super easily broken down. Like one of them is, it says meats. What are your best meat choices? What are the best cuts I should eat on keto? How do I choose the highest quality cuts? Grain fed versus grass fed. Like there's organic, pasture raised. Like this is good. This is the first time I've actually looked at it.
Yeah,
but that's awesome.
I like that formatting for sure.
Yeah, super easy. I think, yeah, this is really good.
Let's just we got 2 more books. Let's just knock those out.
Yeah.
So this one is by our good friend Derek Ty. Derek and his wife had the Keto at the Cabin thing. We vlogged about that. But Derek is a real estate agent, super brilliant businessman, and this is the Lord's Prayer for entrepreneurs: unlock success and build God's kingdom through your business. And the cool thing, he got a little letter in here too.
Yeah, it was super sweet.
Robert and Crystal, I'm so grateful for you both. I pray in a blessing over your marriage, your business, and your bright future. Jessica and I really appreciate your friendship. With much love, Derek Ty. So this is cool because no matter what your faith is, no matter where you're at on that, there's some core principles that you need to have to be a good businessman. Mm-hmm. And I've got a feeling that this will encompass those very well. I haven't read it yet.
Yeah, we just got it in, and I'm super excited to read that. This is totally a Crystal style book. I'm super excited to read it, especially since I've been trying to dig into a little bit more like business stuff, but like trying to also, bring it all into one. So I'm really excited about this one. This will be really good.
The last book, y'all know, Headbanger's Kitchen. Like, he's got an awesome YouTube channel, awesome recipes. He came out with a cookbook, Keto Life Cookbook. Over 100 healthy and delicious ketogenic recipes. That's what it looks like there.
Ooh.
But it's
Look
just
at those pictures.
Yeah, I really like his just style. Like, everything is just cool. The pictures are awesome.
So good. There's a picture with every recipe. That is something I am huge on. I hate looking through recipe books and not seeing any pictures. Every single recipe has a picture.
Peanut butter bread. I bet that would go good with the peanut butter brick.
Ooh.
But this is cool. So like I like the formatting on this too. He just got a cool style.
That's cool.
I'm probably gonna butcher his name, but Sahil. I'm not even trying his last time. I'm terrible with names, pronunciations. But I've had him on the podcast. He's an awesome dude. He's got awesome style with his YouTube videos. So excited to try out the recipes.
Yay, me too.
So I also had the Heka Good Hecka bar guy on the podcast, and we got a little care package here. A big Hecka thank you. So Heka Good Foods, we got chocolate chunk cookie dough, peanut butter chocolate chunk, and they come in these boxes.
Have you ever had one of these?
No.
Neither one of us have had one.
They come in these boxes here. Boom. And it looks like this. Boom. Alright, so we have the peanut butter chocolate chunk here. You want to hold that one? Mm-hmm. We'll open up both of them.
Oh, that's really small.
And it is, which one is it? Chocolate chunk cookie dough. So the macros on these, I think they're about the same. 200 calories.
190.
190. Serving size 55 grams. We have 15 grams of fat. And we have 24 grams of total carbs, 7 grams of fiber, 1 gram of total sugars, 3 grams of sugar alcohol, and we have 11 grams of protein.
This one's about the same. It's 14 fat, 23 carbs, and 11 protein. And
the ingredients are almonds, allulose, whey protein isolate, soluble tapioca fiber, unsweetened chocolate erythritol, cocoa butter, natural flavor, sunflower lectin, and sea salt.
This is the same exact thing, only there's peanuts and peanut extract in this.
All right, real quick disclaimer here. There's a little equation here. 24 grams of carbs minus 7 grams of fiber minus 3 grams of erythritol minus 13 grams of allulose equals 1 gram net carb. There is a lot. The research is kind of still out for debate on allulose. I mean, there's a lot of information that indicates that it doesn't really affect your blood glucose levels, but there's not really information that indicates whether or not it affects your blood insulin levels, because it is sweet and you can see a rise in blood insulin even if your blood glucose isn't affected. So just throwing that out there. Me personally, I'm kind of like a total carb guy all the way, so like personally I would never eat these or any of the other bars that are focusing more so on the net carbs than the total carbs, and they have high total carbs. That's kind of an individual thing, but I personally just notice better results when I take total carbs into account. But I'm not trying to talk down on any company that focuses on net carbs, because
whoa, look at that chocolate chunk.
But you got to give them props for these chunks for sure, because both of these are pretty chunky. So this one is the chocolate chunk, and that one's the peanut butter, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my god. The chocolate is very soft.
I like the nuts in there.
The chocolate is like the inside of a truffle. Like, you know, it's like pretty much just cream.
I'm gonna eat that big piece right there, that big chocolate chunk.
Wait. Well, what is this one?
Chocolate chunk.
Is there peanuts in it still?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I like that one more.
I like this one more too.
This one to me, you know those, what's the name of that ice cream thing?
Chocolate chunk cookie dough.
What's the name of the ice cream cone that had like the caramel drizzle on there? But then you get to the bottom of it, and the bottom of the cone has that chocolate piece in the bottom. Drumsticks.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. To me, that tastes like one of those drumsticks. Doesn't it to you?
I don't know that I ever actually ate one of those.
Really? That was one of the
That
things I
base,
ate.
though.
All right, we got one more. So thank you to Heka Good Foods for sending those.
They are very tasty.
Yeah. All right. So we got 3 things in here. Sweet keto baking mix. Boom. And let's just read these off. So ingredients: blanched almond flour, erythritol, stevia, Redmond real salt, baking soda. Props for using Redmond real salt.
Boom.
So this is 15 grams of fat, 15 total carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of total sugar, 10 grams sugar alcohol, 6 grams of protein, 180 calories per 1/3 cup dry mix. So yeah, this is basically just a keto baking mix.
Cool.
I like it.
So it says gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, paleo, soy-free, vegan, and low carb.
I like it.
That's awesome.
This one is Fat Fit Go strawberry lime.
Oh.
So I'm excited to give this a try. This is like a nut butter packet. 200 calories per packet, 18 grams of fat, 5 grams of total carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 1 gram of sugar, 1 gram sugar alcohol, 5 grams protein. Ingredients: blanched roasted almonds, roasted macadamia nuts, cocoa butter, MCT oil, erythritol, real strawberries, real salt, stevia, cold pressed lime oil. I'm actually really excited about these. This has got macros more to my liking.
Fort Collins, Colorado.
You gonna shot
Oh,
first?
for some reason, I keep thinking that it's going to taste like a nut, but it's strawberry lime.
Mm.
Which is interesting. I've not had a fruit flavored.
Is that a good look?
Mm-hmm. Oh my. Oh my. That is like key lime pie right there.
That is like key lime pie.
Oh, can I have a little bit more? I got a lot of the oil, but it's good.
Yeah, it tastes just like key lime pie. This may be one of the best nut butters I think I've ever had.
Mmm. That's seriously delicious.
Yeah. Strawberry
That's
lime.
seriously delicious.
Yeah. FatFitGo.com for these.
Like,
That's
what
really good.
I mean, I would just have that by itself, but I feel like it should also go on something. I'm not sure what it is, but it tastes like key lime pie.
And they sent us this too, and I don't know what this is, but it's not in a packaging that I can see. Cold pack. Alright, so this is Keto All Natural Chocolate Chips. And the ingredients here are unsweetened chocolate, erythritol, cocoa butter, stevia extract, and sunflower lectin. 45 calories per serving, 5 grams fat, 7 grams total carbs, 1 fiber, and 5 sugar alcohol, and less than 1 gram of protein. Do you know how that compares to the
Lily's? I have
Lily's?
no idea. We don't really use a whole lot of things like this, so we don't really ever have them in the house. Sometimes when you want to make a recipe or my family's coming over or something like that, I would still rather use this for the recipe than, do you want me to?
No, I'm a real man and I have a knife with me at all times.
I'd rather use this than, fill them with sugar. We can use this for our recipe today.
Yeah?
Those are delicious.
Those are really good.
It's for every tablespoon. And that's, to me, that's a lot. Like, I don't eat, like, there's only so many
I feel like these, I
chocolate chips in a cookie.
have to probably try this back to back with Lily's, but I feel like this is
more like keto-y. I feel like the Lily's is just too sweet.
yeah.
Like, these are, like, perfect. Not too sweet, not too bitter. But they definitely have a sweetness to them. It's delicious.
And I'm pretty sure the name of this company is Explorado Market. And I think this is also by them, but maybe like a sub company.
Yeah, the package says Fit Fat Go.
Fat Fit Go.
Or, yeah, Fat Fit Go.
But I think it's same people. But these are all really good. We didn't try the Makey Mix, but I'm sure it's good too. And that's pretty much our product review video. How long? 18 minutes. Wow, these things are getting long.
Sorry.
If you stuck with us this long, then give yourself a pat.
It may not be that long because I had to, like, get Jack because he was barking and, you know.
All right. Anyways, thank all y'all for sending us this stuff. Appreciate it. And we'll holler at you next time.